Ay. Hello guys, welcome back to video today. Ngayon na mag-node ako Mag-node ako rank.
Rank these 6 foods.
Bakit ka na to?
Rank these American foods, but you can't change.
Apa. Number 1. It's my favorite. Loaded fries. Ayoko yan. Gusto ko ng normal fries. Original. 5 yan. Loaded fries. Mac and cheese. 4. Brownies. 3 na nga. 3. Number 2. Fried chicken. 2 yung chicken. Yung brownies. 3 ba? Oo nga. Yung final one, yung ayoko. Sorry, America. Ayoko pizza ng ganon.
Rank these American food.
Gusto ko lang cheese. Cheese! Yeah! Part 2 ito. Oo nga, part 2 ito. Bye-bye!